Champions, let's see this. Another question from Ogun State Unified Exam for year 2024/2025. Triangle PQR is right angled at Q. So that means we have a right angle. So you can let it face whatever side you want. When they say it's right angle, it does not mean facing right or facing left. It means one side is 90 degrees, or what one angle is right 90 degrees. So we have the triangle PQR to be right angled at Q. So it means here, this place is the Q. So putting your Q here or here makes your drawing wrong. So it's right angled at Q. And furthermore, we have the side PQ to be 3A centimeters. In this case, you can put P wherever you feel like. So let me just say, okay, the P is here. PQ, the distance P to Q is 3A centimeters. So we have 3A in centimeter for the distance from P to Q. And Q to R is 4A centimeter. So we have R to be here. So, and the distance is given to us to be 4A in centimeters. Now we are to determine PR in terms of A. You know, asking us to solve it in terms of A requires leaving your answers in terms of A. So solving it in a different way, because I've seen a lot of students making mistakes while solving this. So let's see what we will do from here. So we have to find this point, PR. So from Pythagoras Theorem, which is hypotenuse square equals to the opposite square plus the adjacent square. So it means this is the hypotenuse. So this place square equals to this side square plus this side square. So we are looking for the hypotenuse, which is the PR square equals to the opposite and the adjacent. We don't know, but let's just place it there. So we have this to be 4A. Everything, because the distance from here to here is 4A. So everything there raised to power 2 plus this side, which is 3A. Everything at P to Q raised to the power of 2. Because many students used to make mistake, they apply the square for only 4. So it's everything down there. So we have PR raised to the power of 2. 4 raised to power 2 will result to 16. A raised to power 2 will be A squared. Likewise, 3 raised to power 2 will give us 9 and A squared. Now the next thing is to add these two together, because we have 16 of A squared and 9 of A squared. So it means A squared in 16 places and A squared in 9 places. So when you join all the A squares together, I have A squared, I have 16 of it. Another person has A squared in 9 places. So when we put our fortune together, we will end up to have 25. Now, we end up to have 25 of the A squares. I have 16A squared, he has 9A squared. Yeah, let's put our properties together. My 16 and that person's 9A squares will result to 25A squared. So, which is equal to the PR raised to power 2. Now, when you want to remove the raised to the power of 2, you are going to square root both sides. So, we'll be having the distance PR, which we are looking for, to be equal to the square root of 25A squared. So the PR will result to the square root of 25. The square root of 25 is going to be 5, and the square root of A squared will become A. So in a nutshell, the distance from P to R is going to be 5A in centimeter. Easy.